Panchayat has decided on their level not to have an auction, which is not fair. Okay, so as per the Gram Sabha, they were demanding to have an auction. So if we have got an auction, so that the revenue will be remain good revenue for the panchayat. Otherwise, you see, normally what happen, if they take the things in their level, the person may not work and will not generate that much of revenue, which is as per the budgets. There is a water shortage. That's why we have demanded today also to these people, okay, not to go for a twin villa bungalows with swimming pools, because they should do the carrying capacity study first, and they have to find out which is the best solution they can give it to the people.
कोलवा विलेज, सरनामती, वानिली आणि स्पेशली गंधावली देर इज अ शॉर्टेज ऑफ वॉटर. आता आमचे जे आउटसायडर स्टेट जे येत आहे रिअल इस्टेट्स बिल्डिंग ते विला बांधताय बिल्डिंग्स कोताय आणि मेजरली स्विमिंग पूल. आता आमगे नोडा उदो ना बट पीपल दे आर पासिंग देअर प्लॅन्स विथ द स्विमिंग पूल अँड द पंचायत वॉज ऑल्सो पासिंग. सो आम ते प्रपोजल घायलेलो टू बॅन स्विमिंग पूल्स until the water issue is solved. So we don't want swimming pool, and the projects which are coming should not increase more than 3 units.
What has happened here is त्यांनी जे पार्टी प्रेझेंट केल्या it is not planned properly in a professional way. What they have done is last 2 years they figure business copy paste करून त्यांनी आमक दिला. Yes, it is not done in a professional way. आणि आता हे कोणते म्हणायचे फास्ट अरे बजेट बेसी फास्ट करून आता तुम्ही पेपराचे हातीन बरोवन दितले आणि ती बजेटू देर हॅज टू बी सम प्रोफेशनलिझम इन द फिगर यू आर गिविंग अदरवाइज यू ऑल्सो बिकम अनप्रोफेशनल नो. सो आय थिंक what they have doing is not correct.
Finally budget is passed.
No, not yet. We have recommended a lot of changes.